On contracts, there's no one issue that causes more concerns or more questions than that of repairs. I'm often asked by buyers, do I request these repairs, or what repairs can I request? And by the seller, do I have to make those repairs? In the state of South Carolina, at least in the upstate of South Carolina, we utilize the purchase and sale agreement that's been approved by the state. The state sales contract is very specific in what is required by the seller for them to repair. Let me share with you what those items are. In the third paragraph of the sales agreement, the contract reads that the seller agrees to maintain in operable condition the property and any personal property conveying in same operable condition. Personal property can mean things like your refrigerator, if you're leaving a refrigerator, or the washing machine, or the dryer, or any of the appliances that you're leaving in the home. Then in paragraph 8 of the sales contract, it specifically states that in the event repairs are necessary to place the heating system, air conditioning systems, electrical systems, plumbing systems, water supply systems, water waste systems, to be conveyed in operative condition, to make the roof free of leaks, to address environmental concerns, and to make the improvements structurally sound. Then in paragraph 11 of the contract, under wood infestation, it states, if the wood infestation report reveals the presence or indication of or damages by termite infestation or other wood-destroying organisms, seller shall remedy such deficiencies and shall furnish the buyer with a clear CL100 letter. So as you can see from the contract, it's very specific what the seller is responsible for fixing. That doesn't mean that the buyer can't ask for additional items to be taken care of, and the seller could agree to do that. But by contract, these are the items that the seller is required to correct. The buyer has to specifically request repairs in written format, and the seller has to respond to that request for repairs. If the seller doesn't respond in a time specified by the contract, the buyer has three options. One, they can accept the property as is. Two, they can negotiate a new contract. Or three, they can terminate the contract by notice. So I hope this information has been useful for you. And until next time, have a great day.